Hello, this is Benjamin with ARI, your website company, and the purpose of this video will be to illustrate how to configure your buyer's tools for your major unit inventory using your CMS editor for your responsive website. The first place we'll start today is you may be asking yourself, well, what are buyer's tools? We'll first click over to our site and click to a major unit inventory unit. Here we are. To be more clear, buyer's tools are the tools that you'll see to the right of a major pieces of inventory picture that you have here. They do things such as give the customer more information, allow you to get in contact with the customer, and also if they need to apply for financing or possibly get an insurance quote, those are some of the things that they can do using these buyer's tools. To configure which buyer's tools show up here and exactly what they do, here's how you'll go about that. First, start by clicking back to your editor. Then about halfway down the page, we'll go into a box labeled Sites. Within Sites, we'll click on Components, also marked with a puzzle piece. Once we get into Components, the component we're looking for is Search Component. So we'll scroll down. Here is Search Component. We'll go over to the right of where it says Search Component and click on the gear or cog. And here you can see once it loads that beneath the large black bar that says Component Settings, you can first select the buyer's tools that you would like to display in that column to the right of the major units picture. And then you can also dictate which position in that list that you want to have that listed in. And you can see for the schedule test drive or value your trade, if you wanted to use a third-party service provided by someone else besides us to schedule a test drive or value a trade, you could simply put in the URL of that third-party tool and have that button link directly to that third-party tool. Once you have chosen the tools that you would like, indicated the position or the place in order in which you want this tool to display in on the final site, you'll of course click on Save Settings. Then once that save has gone through, go up to Your Name in the upper right hand corner, click on Your Name, and run the Publish Changes. As soon as you see the successfully published green Post-it note down in the lower right hand corner, that is when you can click back over to your site and double check that first, all of those buyer's tools showed up, and second, that they link to the correct pages. This has been Benjamin presenting how to set up buyer's tools in your CMS editor for your responsive website. Thank you so much.